Yes, there are several clinical trials being conducted for mesothelioma patients in countries outside of the United States. Clinical trials are research studies that test new treatments and therapies on human volunteers. New treatments need to go through rigorous clinical trials to test for safety and efficacy before becoming standard treatment options. Here are some details about current international clinical trials for mesothelioma. In the United Kingdom, several major cancer centers like London's Royal Marsden Hospital are actively recruiting for mesothelioma clinical trials. One larger Phase 3 trial is testing a therapy combining pemetrexed and cisplatin chemotherapy with bevacizumab, an anti-angiogenic drug. Another Phase 3 study is comparing immunotherapy with pembrolizumab versus chemotherapy as a second-line treatment for advanced mesothelioma. The UK also has trials evaluating immunotherapy combinations, dose-dense chemotherapy schedules, and targeted therapies paired with other drugs. In Italy, one of the main mesothelioma research facilities is the Giovanni Pascal National Cancer Institute in Naples. They are currently enrolling patients in multiple immunotherapy trials, including a Phase 3 study assessing the addition of nivolumab to standard chemotherapy as frontline treatment. Another Italian trial is testing the epigenetic drug azacitidine in combination with cisplatin, pemetrexed for advanced mesothelioma. Additional Italian studies focus on vaccines, cancer-killing viruses, and measuring treatment response biomarkers. Australia has also made significant contributions to clinical research for this disease. The preeminent research organisation is Cancer Council Australia's Asbestos Diseases Research Institute. The current trials involve immunotherapies like nivolumab and ipilimumab, as well as targeted drug combinations in the frontline and recurrent settings. Scientists at the institute are also exploring novel therapies derived from the venom of reptiles and amphibians that may benefit mesothelioma patients. Some other notable international mesothelioma clinical trials include a German Phase 2 study adding the JAK inhibitor vorinostat to first-line chemotherapy. French researchers are recruiting for a trial combining immunotherapy with radiotherapy for oligometastatic mesothelioma. And in Israel, a Phase I/2 study is underway using an oncolytic virus therapy delivered directly into the pleural cavity. Clearly, worldwide collaboration has been vital for accelerating progress against this devastating cancer. While many trials evaluate standard chemotherapy regimens modified in various ways, others are working to establish entirely new treatment paradigms like immunotherapy and targeted therapies. With continued support for mesothelioma research worldwide, we move closer to developing more effective therapies and ultimately a cure. International clinical trials provide hope that new and improved options are on the horizon for patients diagnosed with this difficult-to-treat disease.